Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunplus Studio, and today this is my overhauls for February 2026, and napakadami kong nabili from January. So eto nga, let's all reveal my overhauls and the shops where I bought this model kits dito sa aking video. So let's start with my bootleg collection. So I got here the Qianhui model, the Dom or the Rick Dom bootleg. So this is a pre-order from Hobby Wang, and I thank Hobby Wang for the very fast delivery for this pre-order. So ito, napakalaking box and mabigat siya. So there we go. Let's go to the next one. I got here the Shokyo from yung Victory Gundam, if I'm not mistaken. So this is the Reborn 100 bootleg of the Shokyo. So ang cute ng box niya, mayroong buong langgam. And it looks like Mask Rider. Kala ko nung una Mask Rider, pero Shokyo pala siya. So ang cute ng box niya, di man liit. And yung laman niya, of course, yung Shokyo na kulay dilaw. Ayan. Shokyo 1/100 kit. Or 1/100 scale kit. Ang cute ng box and very presentable. Ayan. Yung sa likod ng box niya, mayroon pang Chinese prints. Ganyan. And I bought it from I forgot the shop, but I will drop the shop name here. And I think this is from Malaysia or China that I bought this kit. Okay, so let's go with the next one. I think huli na ako sa pagbili na ito eh. Matagal na tong kit na to eh. This is the Luna Maria Hawk from Huan Ying model kit. So this is the Gunner Zaku, or am I correct? Yes, the Gunner Zaku from Luna Maria Hawk, and I think this is a reprint, and I bought it from Neo Hubs for about 986 pesos. So murang-mura ako nabili. And again, another Zaku from Seed, Gundam Seed. I got this Slash Zaku from Mech Player. So nag-iisang shop na nagtitinda ng Slash Zaku ni Isaac Joel. So this is the blue one. So I bought it around 1,200 plus. Okay, so affordable price. Okay. And another model kit here, bootleg model kit from, I forgot the seller again. So mas ang dami kong binilhan eh, pero i-drop ko na lang dito. So this is the Zaku tank, yung green one. So ito yung half ng Zaku and tank. So I got the Magella attack tank before, and now I got the Zaku tank for its complement. So this is from Motor Nuclear model kit. So there, I am very excited to build this. So I might build this later on. Then for the brands, I got the SNAA model kit here, which is the Nether Emperor, which I bought from again Hobby Wang. So this is I bought around 1,300 pesos ayan, kay Hobby Wang. And my latest whip today, so nalis ko na sa box, and this is the Lynx, the REA03 Lynx from Sunday Hobby, and I bought it again from Hobby Wang. So there we go, we got this very actually ang dami nito, ang bigat ng box na to. So jam pack of a kit, this one. So Hobby Wang, I bought it around 1,700 pesos. Okay, and that's po tayo sa aking mga holy grails the Bandai kits. Of course, di pa rin mawawala sa akin si Bandai. I got it from Premium Bandai Shop. So this is the Denangei from F91 Gundam, the movie. Alam ko ito yun eh, yes. So this is their newly release or installment for the Reborn 100, so Premium Bandai. Ito, Denangei. And my next Premium Bandai here is the Gundam Astray Mirage reissue, second reissue. And this is again from Premium Bandai Shop. Okay. And my last Holy Grail here is of course none other than the Barbatos, the massive grade Gundam Barbatos Lupus. Hindi ko na isabay dito si pangalan na ito, yung Lunavore Gundam Barbatos. So ayun nga, I think medyo madedelay yung pag-release nun, pero buti na lang dumating na rin tong si Gundam Barbatos. So I bought it from Gundam Official Shop sa Shopee for 3,200 pesos. So far ito yung pinakamurang Gundam Barbatos in Shopee, but I think bababa pa to. Ayaw ko pa sanang bilhin pero na-hype ako dun sa 3,200. So I bought it and yeah, i-build na natin to. And nga pala, bago ko makalimutan, so I got this Black Trojan Horse. Ito yung RX-78, Evangelion, and Godzilla combination ng mecha. So I bought it from Hobby House PH, and this is very very long time na pre-order ko since February 2025 pa, but I only get it last January, so almost 1 year. So thank you so much for that shop, even though napakatagal. At medyo mahal tong nabili ko na to nasa 1,700 yung pre-order ko. Wala pa yung shipping fee, so plus shipping fee 170 pesos, so almost 2K. But the item na ito from other shop like Hobby Wang, around 1,300 or 1,200 lang. So parang sana hindi na lang ako nag-pre-order to. For anyway, thank you so much sa Hobby House PH sa maasikaso naman nilang update sa aking mga inquiries kahit alam ko nakukulitan sila. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this overhauls for February 2026, and this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying happy building and keep on collecting. Bye bye.